You're right about people stopping you. Obviously, we're living in the same area, and I know the high regard in which you're held and the respect people have for you, including kids who are wondering why the toy man is being in the news so much. That said, obviously, I wonder, given the events of the last 2 weeks, and we have engaged with RTE on quite a number of times, has that been the reason why you wanted to come here voluntarily, or was it actually more of what you heard from those engagements with RTE and what they've said, the various executives and board members, or has it been that everything else surrounding this whole issue? What's the main driver of you wanting to be here?
I think that my name has been desperately sullied. I think my reputation has been sullied. I'm deeply upset. I'm hurt. It's hard to leave the house if you really want me to be honest about it. So for what? I spent 3 weeks watching people telling stories. I'm sorry, I'm leaving a gap. Forgive me, it's a comma, not a full stop. But I know, like, I'm not looking for sympathy now or violin. I'm simply saying to you, you asked me the question, and you bring up, like, the kids. My relationship with the children of Ireland is so important to me. I know that sounds grandiose, but actually it is. I want them to be happy and hopeful and proud to be Irish and read lots of books and just be wonderful young people. You know, that doesn't change, you know. But what's happened in the last 3 weeks, it's like frenzy.